back. Puddle jumping, baby. Woo!
Woo, fair.
Never rains in California. Welcome to another beautiful, beautiful day. Today's a beautiful day to me.
Mad.
It's a beautiful day to me because it never rains. It's nice to have a change every once in a while.
Love the rain.
Look at it.
It's so cute. I want to wake the babies up from their nap and put their little rain boots on and their little raincoats. They can splash in the pool.
They would love this. Welcome to another beautiful day. Kyler and Matt. Today,
I'm mad.
you know, to be honest with you, we don't know what we're gonna do today. We never
Today's
do.
gonna be the most random, fun, adventurous day we have ever had in our entire life.
Cool. Sounds like fun.
This is gonna be mysterious. You guys aren't gonna know the cool things we're gonna do. And that is why today is a mystery, because this weather is a mystery! And we're a mystery! And it's super
All right, let's go.
puddly.
Let's go.
This is your first time in a rain. You have to jump in the puddles.
It's really coming down.
Yeah. Is that
That's fun, huh? So we found ourselves at the team townhouse today, and lo and behold, Chad gets a new car. And this car is... It's the move, bro. It's the move. Apparently it's the move. Cameras around. Okay guys, so we've had kind of a busy afternoon, an unexpected busy afternoon. It has been rainy, we haven't been able to do a ton. We're at the Team 10 house, we had a couple meetings and things like that that we were involved in. Now we're at one of our favorite spots. Target, hey!
I really want to get them some rain boots, some raincoats.
Look at all these puddles.
They need to jump in puddles. Come on, Kyler.
Yep, we're gonna let them jump in puddles tonight. It is dark, as you can see.
She thought we forgot her. Daddy's gonna get you, Ugly Bear.
I'm gonna get you, Bubby. I'm gonna get you, don't worry. We're gonna go inside Target and find them some rain boots, and we don't need coats, right? Just rain boots. We're gonna get them some rain boots, maybe a raincoat, I don't know. We'll see what they have. You never know with Target. Sometimes you get lucky.
I said, where's Dad? She goes, Dad, where are you? And then she sees you across the parking lot and goes, Dad! Where's Dad?
That's funny. I flippin' love these girls.
So, Kyler and I have not been very good parents today. We were in a very long meeting and the girls haven't eaten anything all day, so we got them some...
Their favorite snack.
Their favorite snack. And we'll be getting them a bigger meal as soon as we leave Target. Right?
Say thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Say thank you.
You have to fill up your little tubby.
Where's your tubby?
Where's your tubby? Ah! Where's your tubby? Ah! Are you gonna go jump in some rain puddles? Okay, so we can't find the rain boots, so we're gonna have Tatum call and ask the assistant here at Target where the rain boots are. Here we go. Say hello. Say hello.
She knows where she's at. She never falls. This one will fall right off the bed.
Okay. I don't want to do. Bye.
What's she doing?
She's asking them about where the boots are at.
Oh.
Okay, did you figure it out?
She on hold?
Okay, now Oakley's
I think
gonna
Oakley
try.
should ask.
Oakley, will you ask them where the rain jackets are?
Okay. Let's go.
Tatum, which way are the boots? What do they say on the phone? That way? Okay, I think they're over here. Adult rain boots.
Sit down. Sit down. Let's find the baby rain boots, man.
Here's the baby rain boots. Alligators.
Alligators are not good. We don't like alligator boots.
There's 2 size 5s here.
Really?
Yeah, it worked out perfect.
Oh my.
Yay! You can jump in the puddles. I'm so excited. Oh, these boots with the yellow coats. I'm dying.
What?
Excuse me. Look at what happened to her chair. Target.
No, she got fat. Hey, what's up, dude? Okay, he tries to run from us.
Hey, get back here. Get back here, you two. Hey. Hey.
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. I got you. Let's go, you ready? Who's that? Who is that? Nanny. That's Mickey, dude.
Say hi, Dada.
That is not me. All right, so I say that's a successful target run. We're gonna go have some fun at home in the puddles. You excited?
So excited. Woo!
No, no, no. Oh, give me kisses. Now you give me kisses. Now you give me kisses. Now you give me kisses.
Now you give me kisses.
Woohoo! 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 Come on, you look flippin' cute. Come jump in your puddles. There's not very many puddles because the rain kind of died down, but it's just still fun for you. Ready? Come on. Jump in the... Oh, I don't think she likes it.
You like this. Jump. Whoa, water. Jump. Whoa, water. You like this. Jump. Whoa.
We got a lot of boxes over there. Whoopsies. Christmas time.
Jump.
Plane.
One, two, three.
Oh, geez, you just blasted the camera.
Really?
Yeah.
One, two, three.
That's funny.
Whoa, my shoes are all wet.
That's funny.
Whoa, that was a good jump. Jump. Go like this.
I'm not sure if they know really what to do. They're kind of confused. They're just like in their raincoats. Don't put it in your mouth.
Jump.
Jump. Up here. Hey. What? What the heck was that? Did you see that? She like put her hand down and then put it in her mouth. Nummy.
Ew.
Nummy. Jump. Yeah, good job. Woo!
Did it.
Whoa.
You ready? Jump. Jump, jump, jump.
I would say that the puddles really are not big enough for this kind of event. We might have to wait for another rainfall tomorrow. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 days.
Girls, tomorrow when it's raining in the daytime, we'll have more time to play in the puddles, okay? It's gonna rain tomorrow. Here.
Watch the girls come running. I just turned on their show. Yeah, your favorite show, Bubba Guppies.
Airplane. Me too.
I love 2 times during the day. When the girls wake up and when they go to bed.
That is so mean.
No, I love the whole, like everything, but sometimes the day gets really stressful, you know what I mean? The girls are a little bit crazy, and then it's like time to go to bed, you know, and then it's like time to take a breather, you know what I'm saying? But there's nothing better than when the girls wake up in the morning because I miss them.
Tyler, are you gonna help me make some dinner, boy? I'm making mac and cheese and chicken nuggets tonight.
Oh my gosh, you're such a good cook. It's like, dang.
It's my homemade mac and craft today. Wanna see?
Look at mac and cheese,
It's
baby.
the Fisher family recipe.
Fisher family recipe. Kraft mac and cheese.
But I also do green beans on the side, don't worry.
Hey, make sure you turn that off. Yesterday, I literally left it on for 5 seconds and it filled up.
Tyler like filled up his pot and then he just moved
It filled up this whole tray with water. Thank you. Good job, Madison. Good way to be smarter than the average idiot like me. Let's say, whoo, look how messy our flipping front door is. Why is it like this? I don't understand.
We get too many boxes. Hey!
Too many boxes. Madison, what did you get, sweetie?
I got so many stuff. Look at, got these cute little earrings and this purse.
What?
Look how cute all this is. This cute dress. Another cute dress.
Oh my.
A sweater. A cute leather coat. 2 undershirts for undercoats and things like that.
My goodness. And a big fuzzy red coat. Wow.
Cute
Wow, and a big fuzzy red coat.
A big fuzzy red coat.
Woohoo!
I can't wait to put this on.
Yeah,
It's gonna be cute.
yeah, you know what the girls are gonna be doing? They're gonna be like running around going,
Elmo! They are! Girls, Elmo's here.
Elmo! Elmo!
Okay, this is actually probably gonna be cute if I have like cool.
Look, Elmo!
Like heels.
Mama's
on.
Elmo!
Hi, you friends. I'm Elmo. You wanna come play with me? I'm Elmo. Elmo? Hi, girls. I'm Elmo. Elmo, peekaboo.
They don't think you're Elmo. Well, what are we gonna do about this big mess? I don't understand why it gets like this. I don't understand why it gets like this. I'll never know. Never know. Every day we clean our house, every single day, and then somehow it just turns out looking like this. What the heck is going on in here? Elmo, stop. Elmo. Elmo.
I need to go hang up all my new clothes.
Okay,
Come with me to my closet.
Sweep, 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 sweep.
Just keep.
Sweep, sweep.
Why do I keep coughing?
I don't know, but you're really, really good at cleaning the house. Thank you.
I'm trying my best.
Thank you. Well,
Normally we only clean if people are coming over, but tonight I'm just cleaning because it's bad. I just jinxed it!
What
Someone's
the-
coming over.
who is at our house? It's like 10 o'clock.
It's from the doorway.
Hey!
Mark!
Pleasant surprise.
Hey!
Wow.
Mark! What is this? Is this a surprise?
Why do you sound sick?
This
My
is nice.
voice is
I'm gonna put
like
my camera
half
down
gone
because I feel
and
like this is weird.
Dude, I didn't
We're in a
finish
vlog
sleeping.
war right now, so I'm just gonna let him win. Yo, dude, it's so good to have you here, bro.
I know, bro. Dude, it's so good to be here.
Starting the new year, we should probably talk about this year.
What do you mean?
Madison, we've been pretty blessed this year, I'll be honest.
Boss?
You see how much we've grown this year?
Blessed.
Bless. Oh, like
Bless,
2017.
bro.
I was like, 2018 just
Blessings.
started.
I know what's grown more, your belly or our channel.
Both have grown a lot.
Our New Year's resolution goals are number 1, keep putting out good videos so that you guys keep watching so that we get more subscribers. So we're gonna grow more in subscribers.
Yes.
And number 2, we're gonna lose the growth of our stomachs.
The reason why I wanted to talk about this year and how awesome it's been is because honestly, would not be as good of a year if it wasn't for this man right here.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. This guy has given us an opportunity in this life. I remember the first day we met Mark Donor. Do you remember that?
Yep.
We met Mark and our entire life changed. We were in a really bad position in business and we just got integrated into the whole social media world.
Now
Once
you're
again,
changing lives.
this man. And we're trying to change lives.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mark got us started in vlogging. It was his idea.
Honestly, the message is use your power in life to bless others.
Your life can change overnight. Look at how much they've grown in a year. Look how much I've grown in a year. All of us have grown in a year overnight. Like literally, you could be feeling horrible at one point in your life, and then the next day it can change drastically for the good or for the worse. So you got to count your blessings, which is what you're doing.
Never forget where you came from. Never forget where you came from. I will never forget where I came from. Mark Donor invited us to vlog. He thought it would be a good idea since we hired the babies and we started vlogging. So he gave us the confidence. I wouldn't have done it, I'm telling you.
If it wasn't for Mark Donor. So thank you so much. You have changed our lives forever.
And now to 2018, I steal
Yes.
all of your subscribers.
All right, everyone go follow Mark's channel. right
Truthfully, yes. Everybody go subscribe to Mark Donor. He's a good guy. He puts out awesome content. Honestly, some of the best content there is because he's actually good at film. Unlike me.
You're good. You're
I'm
very
trying.
good. You guys are doing a good thing here.
Kyler, don't underestimate our wonderful talents.
I know, seriously. Did you see that montage at the beginning of the video?
Today was the best day ever because it was raining, and you guys know that rain is my favorite weather choice of all.
I could sit inside next to the fire with my raspy voice and
That's
just
right.
watch movies because it's raining.
And I can
We didn't do any of
sweep the crumbs across the wonderful wood floors and make it look shiny.
Okay, guys, seriously?
Okay, are you regretting letting me finish the vlog? Because I'll actually do good this time.
No. I'm just gonna end it. Anyways, guys, this is where we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have not joined the Fish Fam, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.
Punch that subscribe button in the face!
Wow. Oh, okay, anyways. I got some real weird people with me today. I thought I was gonna get hit. But yeah, you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to 200 million likes. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Идти. И если ты все еще дышишь, сейчас включи заново, чтобы звучало более пышно. Пока адреналин не выжмет из тебя вышку, пока децибелы не станут прожигать лампочки вспышками. Если лимиты превышены, то один эффект иди эффектом фейф, лови эффект и пихай. Так наш диалект способен поломать твои извилины. Без стиля, без усилий, мы лишь вирус на любом носителе. И мы всего лишь 25-й кадр твоего слуха гипнотизируем. Ведь разум подчиняется звукам, и эта мания подобна настоящей магии, что разрывает от начала до конца твое сознание. One.